Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Oak Park, local and long-distance movers near me. Our long-distance moving services afford you the opportunity of moving anywhere, even above 100 miles. We offer interstate and interstate services, ensuring that we keep our customers in mind. Our customer-centric approach that has helped us build our reliable community of customers. Also, we ensure the safety of our clients and their belongings with our insurance policies. These policies cover risks and liabilities that may occur during the move. Also, our excellent standing with both federal and state authorities provides more protection for our clients. Our drivers and movers are licensed, and they're also responsible for making sure that the client is comfortable. Our long-distance services are affordable, and we promise you to get to your belongings to your destination within the proper condition. Our reliability and transparency makes us the perfect company to organize your move. Best local moving company. Like our long distance service, we also offer moving services for your local move. And like all of our services, also our moving rate is affordable. It costs about $30 to $40 per every hour. No matter how busy the city is, we can maneuver flawlessly through it. We also have to map out a moving plan that will help you move easily and quickly. Our team understands the local terrain well enough to draw out a well-detailed and moving plan. Not only are we the finest in the market, but we also are the most equipped. Our reviews among the local community are excellent and above par. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oak Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.